Hello guys, welcome back to DevOps Desk. In today's video, we will learn how to install Docker and Docker Compose on an EC2 instance. Before installing, let's understand what Docker is. Docker is a containerization platform that allows you to build, ship, and run applications consistently across environments. And whereas Docker Compose is a tool used to define and run multi-container applications on a single host using YAML file. In this guide, you will learn how to install Docker and start a Docker container as well, and also run applications using Docker Compose. So before we begin, we require few prerequisites: an EC2 instance, which is running on Ubuntu or later, or you can also use Amazon Linux machines, and a sudo enabled user, internet access, and SSH connection to the EC2 instance. So here you can see I have already launched an EC2 instance. So let me do SSH to that instance using putty. Hope you all know how to connect to EC2 instance using putty. Open, login as Ubuntu. Okay, successfully we logged into EC2 instance. Now, let's update system packages. Sudo apt update. You can just copy and paste directly. Copy, paste. So by running these commands, it will keep our system up to date, either packages, securities, versions, everything, OS updates, etc. Okay. Now let's install Docker engine. Sudo apt install docker.io-y. -y is for giving the prompt as S to install Docker. Next, let's verify the Docker version. Here you can see Docker is installed and the version is 28.2.2. Now let's start the Docker. And you have to enable the Docker to start Docker automatically on instance reboot. Check the status of Docker by using this command. Here you can see it is active and running. So we have successfully installed Docker. Now we need to run Docker without sudo user. So we need to add our Docker user to our admin user or Ubuntu by using these commands. Check whether it is added or not. Yes, it is added. Now test the Docker by running simple command docker run hello world. You have to see the sample output like below. Yeah. Here you can see the same output, expected hello from Docker. So with this, we have successfully installed Docker on our EC2 instance. Now let's install Docker Compose by using below commands. Copy this. Let me clear this. Paste it. Now we need to change permission to our Docker Compose folder, which we created in the earlier command. Okay. Now switch to that directory. You can see Docker Compose is installed here. Package is downloaded, not installed. Check the Docker Compose version. Yeah, the version is v2.29.2. Now how can we do setup this for Docker Compose? We can create a sample project by using below commands and below setup. Okay, so let's create a directory first. So I have created one folder with the Docker Compose demo and switching it to that folder. let's edit the Docker Compose file now. We have to create one file here. So for demo purpose, I am taking Nginx image on port 8080. Save and exit. To start Docker Compose, we need to run the command docker compose up -d. So it will fetch the image of Nginx from Docker registry and it will start the container. Here you can see Docker container is created and started. Now let's see the container is running or not. Here we can see the Docker container is running with the image Nginx and the port is 80. So to check this container which is running or not, we need to get our public IP of EC2 instance and paste it in the browser. You can see welcome to Nginx. It means Nginx image is fetched successfully and the container is started successfully, which is running on a port 80. Okay. Now let's stop and remove the container. So for stopping and removing container, we need to use the command docker compose down. For starting, we need to use docker compose up, and for stopping, docker compose down. So it will stop the running containers. Here you can see the message removed. That's it for this video. For more updates on DevOps things, please subscribe to DevOps Desk.